Hello everyone, this is the Nokia 8.1 and I have been using this Nokia 8.1 from past 1.5 years, and nowadays it is giving me some problem with the battery backup. So today we will try to fix this by resetting the phone. We will do a factory reset, and we'll see whether the battery issue is getting fixed or not. So first thing you have to do is you have to go to your setting, then drag down and you see an option called system. Tap on that and then tap on the advanced option there. Once you tap on that, it will expand and you will see here a option called reset options. So just tap on that and here you see erase all data factory reset. Basically it will reset the phone and it will go to now we will tap on the erase all data. So now you can see, once I click on the erase all data, it will give you an basic information about this, what and all you will lose, and you have to sign in again. So I will just click on reset phone. Now I have to enter the password. You have to enter your unlock password which you have set. Okay, so let me enter the password. Okay, now I have entered the password. Now click on this button here. You can see this button, just tap on this. Yeah, now you can see reset the phone option. Just tap on that. So before resetting, you have to keep one thing in mind, that your mobile should have minimum 50% of charge. If you don't have 50% charge in your mobile, then don't do this. You will see this screen, and here it tells erasing, right? It will restart a couple of times, so no need to worry. This is the cover I am using from Nilkin, and this is a very good cover. If you want to try this cover for your Nokia 8.1, I will give the link in the description. Go check it out. It's a very good case. It is a hard plastic case from Nilkin, and so far it has been durable, and it protects my mobile from any drop and all. I have dropped so many times and nothing happened to this cover. You can see a dent over here, that's it. And I don't use any screen guard or tempered glass for this Nokia 8.1. Overall the cover is very good. I will give the link in the description. Go check it out. So friends, now the reset has been completed and the welcome screen appeared here. So here you have to select your language. For me it is English India. Then I will click on let's go button over there, and now it is asking me to connect to a Wi-Fi. I will connect to my Wi-Fi. Okay, now it's connecting to the Wi-Fi. It's connected. Now it will check for update and Right now you can see it is installing some updates. We'll wait for that. Now the installation is done. It will ask you to copy apps and data. For me, I don't need, so I will click on don't copy. Now it will ask you to log in with your Google account. Let me log in. I will enter my password. Now I'll enter my password. Now I have entered my password. Now you click on next. Now I have logged into my Google account. Now these and all some basic information you will get. Then click on this yes, I'm in. Okay, then agree. Now here you can see backup to Google Drive, use location, allow scanning, right, send usage, diagnostic, data, install, update apps, everything. Now I have turned off this send usage and diagnostic data. Then this also you can off if you want. Then click on accept. Then you have to set a password for your mobile. It should be at least 4 digits, it says. So let me quickly set up a password for this. Now I have entered the password and now it is asking me to add my fingerprint. Click on next. Then I click on start. Now we will add the fingerprint. Okay, now it is done. Now click on next. Then this one I will skip the assistant voice match. Right now I don't need, so click on skip. Now if you want to change the font size or if you want to change the wallpaper, you can do it right from here. If not, you can do it later also once the device is set up. Now it says you are nearly ready to go. Let's go. Click on let's go. Yeah, so you can see now the Nokia 8.1 has been resetted, and I'm seeing how it was when I unboxed this Nokia 8.1 for the first time. I'm seeing the same now also after resetting. So that means without any issue the Nokia 8.1 has been resetted. If you want, you can also reset your Nokia 8.1 like this. If you are facing some battery issue or you are getting lag or slowness to your 8.1, then do a factory reset and that would probably resolve your problems. So that's it, friend. In this video we saw how to reset the Nokia 8.1. Hope it is helpful. If so, then please give a like, and if you have not subscribed already to this channel, then please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified when a new video comes out. As always, thanks for watching.